the loaf on boom. Tapos,
Yeah.
tinipan. Tapos,
Bili na kayo ng pumpkin. Mura lang.
I got. What is this?
Binili namin tsaka ng isang malaki.
What the hell?
9 euro all. Which one? Papa already pay.
What is this?
Corn.
Why, that
Mais. Mais.
pumpkins.
Bilay-bilay na kayo.
Look at this, Mama. And look at this one.
Hmm.
Boing.
Coin.
Canteen of Ivac Rec boxes.
Hmm. Mura lang yung ano nila, kalabasa.